Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a Primetime News follow-up. A bus driver seen in the video being circulated on social media has broken his silence on the incident, which has caused outrage among Jamaicans. In the video, he's seen carrying out dangerous stunts with passengers on board. In an exclusive interview with TVJ's Anthony Lugg, he sought to explain why.
I apologize to Jamaica if I cause any havoc to anybody about this, but sorry about everything. It's just a music video me that do, and it's not like me I do it for my work.
The driver seen in this video carrying out antics as he maneuvers a minibus earlier this week, apologizing to the country. Since the video made rounds on social media, there's been outrage over the driver's actions. On Thursday, the Transport Authority swooped down on the bus in Crossroads, St. Andrew, and summoned the driver and the owner. Today, the driver, who was in no mood to speak with us yesterday, contacted our news team saying the video being circulated is actually a small part of a 2-minute video which was a skit for this song, One Call by Cyclone.
I really it without do the video for. It wasn't a case where me up on the public road with passengers I drive up and down. All of the people that was in the bus was like my family, my brother, him co-workers and everything, because I watched that shit, stand him run. So we have other footage of the video where them never put that part in it, they only put the bad part with them see. They must see the rest of it.
We obtained a copy of the original video, which shows the bus in motion, traveling at a relatively slow speed. It stops at certain intervals to pick up passengers. But despite the driver saying he intended no harm, some persons insist his actions were inappropriate as it endangers the public.
That is true still, but at the time when it was doing, the road was barred off. The bottom of the road have people down there and on the top. And there was other patrons out there observing the road that nobody now run out of it. But it was about 10:30 to 11 in the night and nobody never dip on the road at that time. Most of the time you see me I move up and down. The vehicle never in on a gear. They just a rock up like me I change it. The vehicle never really run. And even when they see me go to the bus, the vehicle is neutral up. And me set my foot at the anything, could have stopped it.
Do you agree that your actions were wrong or so?
Well, by law, we know we're not supposed to really do it still. Understand me? But through me I say it's a skit, me never really think that it really offend anybody.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.